Happy na birthday mo pa, happy na birthday mo pa, happy na birthday mo pa, happy birthday. Ilan taon ka na? Ilan taon ka na?
Happy na birthday mo pa, happy na birthday mo pa, happy na birthday mo pa, happy birthday. Ilang taon ka na? Ilang.
Hello Ann. Happy birthday nga pala. May mga ilang tao dito na gusto ko nilang batiin. Ito sila.
Oh my God!
Wow! Hi ate, it's your birthday. Happy birthday. More love and more blessings to come. I wish you all the best. Whatever the challenges will come, just fight. And that's all. Enjoy your day.
Uy, sana all.
Hi sis, happy birthday. Sana masaya ka at nag-enjoy at memorable ang birthday mo sa karon ka nag-celebrate ng birthday. Hindi mo ako sinama. Char. Anyway, sis, happy birthday and thank you so much sa mga guidance mo at pagpapautang, pag wala ang pera. And may your year be full of blessings para marami ka pang matutulungan. Yun lang. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. You deserve the best because you're the best sister.
Ate, ano message mo?
Dito ko kayo.
Pataba ka lang.
Yeah.
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha eh!
Happy birthday!
Ano sunod na?
Once again, Han, happy birthday. Sana mas maging ka ngayong kaarawan. And sila ngayon, sana mas maraming blessings ang dumating sa'yo. And then more good health. And then more opportunities to come. Mag-open pa.
Blow your candle, make a wish. Today's the day, make it shish. Cause it's your birthday. Manlibre na cause it's your birthday. Kainan na cause it's your birthday. Kantahan na cause it's your birthday. Sayawan na cause it's your birthday.
Wag
Huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.
Happy birthday.
Happy na birthday mo pa. Happy na birthday mo pa.
Yes, Randy Fakazing. I would like to greet you a happy birthday and I wish you the best of everything. Sorry I'm not the speaker straight, but I'm just adjusting. I want you to brains, huh? What do you want? I will give you this and everything. This is I'm so rich, my nigga. Happy birthday. Live what you want and want you what you live. Thank you. I love you, brother. I love you. And I know you love me. Peace out, man.